Low bridge, everybody down. Low bridge, for we're coming to a town. And you always know your neighbor, and you always know your pal. If you ever navigated on the Erie Canal.
Ah, you bet your life and never part with Sal.
15 years on the Erie Canal.
She knows every inch of this old canal.
15 years on the Erie Canal.
Get up, old mule, here comes a lock. We'll make Lyons at 6 o'clock. One more pull and back we'll go, right back home to Buffalo.
Low Ridge, everybody down. Low Ridge, folk coming to a town. Once a man named Mike McGinty tried to put it over Sal. Now he was way down at the bottom of the Erie Canal. Oh, where would I be if I lost myself?
15 years.
Oh, I'm a good old worker in a good old pan. 15 years on the Erie Canal. We've hauled some margins in our day, filled with lumber, coal, and hay. And we know every inch of the way from Albany to Buffalo.